Hey, what is going on? So listen, y'all, I just finished doing my nails. Okay, I DIY my nails. Say it with me. I DIY my nails. But anyway, y'all, I just wanted to just because if y'all paid attention to some of the other videos that I've done or whatever, and y'all notice my nails, don't act like y'all don't notice my nails. Y'all be noticing people's nails or whatever like that, and then y'all want to be in the comments. But anyway, that's besides the point. What are nails good for? They're for scratching, right? But I don't want to scratch. I don't want to go too hard, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't want my nails to break, because these are thin. And I'm going to show y'all in another clip or whatever whenever I post it how I did my nails or whatever. Like how I did my nails. Can y'all tell, like, what are these? Is this a full set? Is this dip? Is this gel? What are these? Like, wouldn't you want to know? I'm going to tell y'all that. But I just really wanted to just share with y'all because I was getting ready. I'm getting ready to leave somewhere, go out and step out. I look pretty, don't I? You ain't got to tell me I know I look pretty. I mean, it's whatever. But I'm putting some lip balm on it. I kind of already did, but I just wanted to get this on here or whatever. Like, I realized since I did my nails, like, my free edge is longer than what I'm used to or whatever. And, you know, and this is not a new bottle of lip balm. And so, like, using my fingertip is impossible without getting that gunk inside of my nails. So I have to do this. So long nail people, y'all understand this or whatever. You use your knuckle to get out what you need and then apply it on your lips, and then I can use my fingertip to spread it all over and make those lips nice and nourishing, kissable. Okay. Okay. But anyway, so yeah, so how do long nail people, how do y'all do different things? Like, you know what I'm saying, do a video, you know what I'm saying, share. Because, you know what I'm saying, don't you get tired of people asking, like, how you wipe your butt? You know what I'm saying? Like, you listen, there's a way you can still function with long nails or whatever, you know. So get it done by anything is necessary. Do not let your nails get in the way of getting the necessary stuff done. Like when your scalp itches or whatever and you need to scratch, baby, ain't nothing like using the tip of your nails to get in there and get that itch. Get that itch. There's some other things that might itch that you need. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, y'all, that's all I got. Bye. Yo, go purchase that DIY manicure masterclass.